So, after almost 3 months working in Brazil, creating what I believe to be the most gorgeous and insightful magazine out there, we finally held our launch event and exhibition, Threads of Change. It was a success, seeing all our hard work come to life and so many inspiring people celebrating together fill me with immense joy. It was the perfect closure to the Brazil season. Just a day later, I embarked on a 30-hour journey from São Paulo to Bali to join the Goddess Essence teacher training. It was an insane shift because I had no time to rest between projects or to process everything I had experienced in Brazil. And you can bet, after not returning for 5 years, it was a tough time, like receiving a punch of reality. Yet, I experienced sweet moments of love and connection with my family and friends that deeply touched my heart. I managed to take a couple of short trips, join an ayahuasca retreat with the Huni Queen, and I even celebrated a bit of carnival in my own unique and peaceful way. I'm sure I won't wait too long to return next time, and hopefully I'll be able to travel a bit more and explore this beautiful country that I'm so proud to be from. Now I'm in Bali, in a deep process of transformation and expansion, absorbing so much knowledge and serving a beautiful community of amazing women. I'm not even sure what's going to come next, but I know it's gonna be good, so stay tuned.